Today we're showing you a 2017 Kubota BX23S tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor loader backhoe with a RCK 60-inch Kubota belly mower. Tractor has approximately 150 hours on it. It's practically a new machine. Traded this tractor in locally here. This tractor's been kept inside. It's in very nice shape here, as you can see. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Let's check the listing for the exact dates. And again, has the 60-inch belly mower that goes with it, as well as the LA 340 quick attach front loader. 48-inch bucket. Paint's in great shape on the tractor. Has the hydrostatic transmission, 2 pedals here for forward, reverse, high-low range, 4-wheel drive lever, 3-point up and down lever, and also your belly mower up and down lever right here, and then your loader control right here. Current hours on the tractor are 147.6. This tilt steering wheel, PTO selector over here. Does come with the backhoe as well. It's the Kubota BT603 backhoe. Also has the 3-point arms with it, so you can easily remove this backhoe. It's quick attach and then install those arms, and you can use this for a brush hog, blade, anything to that nature. Has the bar tires on it. It's a very, very clean tractor. We do take trades, also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. Also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other tractors on our yard, we stock approximately 120 to 150 used tractors. If you have any questions regarding this or any other tractor in our yard, please visit us on the web at masttractor.com.